Hi, I'm Lila Malik. In this video, I'll show you how to build a clear construction project organization chart. By the end of this video, you will have a project org chart that's easy to read, easy to update, and actually matches how construction teams work on site. An organization chart is simply a map of the project team. It's not a schedule and it's not a procedure, but it supports both. In construction, you'll usually use one of two formats. A classical site org chart is the clean chain of command on site. A matrix project org chart adds corporate or area support functions like commercial, procurement, finance, and equipment. If the project is small and everything is handled on site, a classical chart is enough. But on most medium and large projects, approvals and support don't sit only on site. That's where matrix becomes more accurate. Here's the simple method we'll follow. Start with the top leadership, add your control functions, then build your site execution line, then the technical office, and finally your interfaces and support. Let's build the classical site org chart first. At the top, put your project manager. Under that, list the key site control functions: document control, QA/QC, planning, commercial QS, and technical. Then build the execution chain: construction manager, section manager, or section engineer, then foreman, and if you want, gang leaders under the foreman. If your project has multiple trades, don't overcomplicate the top chart. Add trade engineers or supervisors under each section the work packages: civil, MEP, finishes, facade, depending on what you're actually building. Now the matrix version. The project team is still the center, but you also show the corporate or area support functions that influence approvals and controls. Solid lines show who reports to who. Dashed lines show functional support, for example, commercial, for finance, or equipment supporting the project without being part of the daily site chain of command. Most org charts fail because they become unreadably. Keep it simple, show the must-have functions clearly, avoid a mess of lines, and use standard titles. One more piece that helps a lot: RACI. Org charts show hierarchy, while RACI shows who is responsible and accountable for key processes. Start by confirming the role list, then the activity list. For each activity, assign one accountable person and the rest as R, C, or I. Keep it practical. Only include processes you manage. For example, for an NCR, QA/QC might be responsible, the project manager is accountable, the consultant is consulted, or whatever matches your setup. The goal is eliminating ambiguity. That's it. Classical chart for clean site authority, matrix for realistic support functions, and RACI to remove responsibility gaps. If you want the templates and the fly, the link is in the description.